ever stopped to think about how you breathe? This simple automatic act is the key to your energy, focus, and even your emotions. But here's the twist. Most of us are doing it wrong. In this video, I'm going to take you through the science and the secrets of the right breathing and why it's more powerful than you ever imagined. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Devi Sundar, and in my channel, I talk about breath, mental health, and occupational well-being. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the science of breathing and the historical context. If you're not subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified on my weekly content. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. The first thing I wanted to take you through is the historical context and the ancient roots of breathing practices. Breathing practices have deep history that spans around thousands of years. Let me take you through how different cultures and eras approached the power of breathing. Let me take you back the timeline 3000 to 1000 before Common Era. In ancient India, texts like Vedas and Upanishads emphasized breathing techniques for spiritual and physical well-being. The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, that is circa 200 before Common Era, formalized the techniques of Pranayama, which is the control of life energy through breath. Around the same time, the traditional Chinese practices like Qigong and Tai Chi incorporated controlled breathing to balance life energy. And at similar time, like 400 to 300 before Common Era, Greek physicians like Hippocrates and philosophers like Epictetus believed deep breathing regulated emotions and balanced the body's humor. So you can get an idea, breath was always seen as more than just survival. It is a connection between body, mind, and spirit. As we move forward in history, breathing practices transition from ancient wisdom to scientific exploration. In 1628, William Harvey discovered the circulation of blood, sparking the curiosity about how respiration supports oxygen delivery. In 1660, Robert Boyle studied the mechanics of respiration, laying the foundation for understanding oxygen's critical role. In 1774, Joseph Priestley identified oxygen as a distinct gas and its connection to the breathing. And Antonio Lavoisier in 1780s studied oxygen's role in combustion and metabolism, shaping the modern respiratory science. Fast forward then in 1846, John Hutchinson invented the spirometer to measure the lung capacity. Claude Bernard introduced the concept of homeostasis, linking the breath regulation to the body's balance. By this timeline, the study of breathing had expanded into pulmonology, focusing on the lung function and the respiratory health. In early 1900s, Western scientists began studying the ancient breathing techniques like pranayama for their physiological benefits. In 1930s, Anne Seeley linked stress to irregular breathing and the rising cortisol levels. Between the period of 1950s to 1970, research explored how breathing patterns influence the mental health, including studies on hyperventilation syndrome. In 1960, breath-holding studies uncovered the delicate balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide and the effects on our consciousness. This era showed us how deeply connected our breath to our emotions, focus, and overall health. Today, breathing research is more exciting than ever. In 1990s, advances in neurobiology revealed how controlled breathing affects the autonomic nervous system and the brain function. In 2000s, scientists discovered that specific breathing pattern can regulate our emotions, reduce anxiety, and improve focus. In 2010, interdisciplinary research connected the breath to the heart rate variability, immunity, and even longevity. Now, let me shed light on the key milestones in the modern breathing research. In 1994, researchers discovered the role of nitric oxide in the respiratory system, revolutionizing our understanding of how breathing regulates our blood flow. In 2007, the groundbreaking studies demonstrated how mindfulness breathing technique could help manage post-traumatic stress disorder and anxiety. In 2010, controlled breathing found applications in athletic performance, longevity, and chronic disease management. So that brings us to a question: how should we breathe to unlock these benefits? Here are the fundamentals. Breathe through your nose. It filters, warms, and slows the air for better oxygen absorption. Engage your diaphragm. Feel your belly expand as you inhale deeply. Slow down. Inhale for 4 to 6 seconds and exhale for 6 to 8 seconds. So you're exhaling longer than your inhalation. So now try it with me. Inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope you got the rhythm. So breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 6. Exhaling longer than you're breathing in. And then you can do a progression for breathing in for 6 and exhaling for 8. So the breath holding, or the kumbhaka, which is called in pranayama, takes things to another level. By holding your breath, you let the carbon dioxide build up, which actually helps your body deliver oxygen more efficiently to your tissues, a concept known as Bohr's effect. So try it with me, the breath holding. So breathing in for 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold for 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And breathe out for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breath retention also stimulates your vagus nerve, that calm and digest parasympathetic nervous system, promoting the relaxation. And these techniques are being used today in athletic training, stress management, and even more into improving your focus. In today's fast-paced world, we've forgotten how to breathe properly. But by reclaiming these ancient practices and combining them with modern science, we can unlock better health, more energy, and a calmer mind. Breathing is your superpower, something you do more than 20,000 times a day without even thinking. Start small. Just spend 5 minutes a day breathing consciously and see the benefits. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to just breathe. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy. Signing off, Devi Sundar.